Hello students, I am Chelma Reddy. Welcome to CR Maths class. Today I am going to discuss JEE Mains 20 July 2021 Shift 2 questions. See the first question. This is a matrix and determinants related problem. If element of a matrix A is defined, capital A is equal to Aij 3 by 3 matrix K. Generally, 3 by 3 matrix, how we are writing? We know that A11, A12, A13, okay? A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. This is 3 by 3 matrix. The elements I am taken like this. What is A11 meaning? First row, first column element. In the suffix, observe that I is equal to j. Suffix I, j, both are equal means in place of that we can write 2. That means here is 2, here is 2, here also 2. Now, write the elements. Here is 2, 2, 2. If I less than j, where is I less than j? See here, 1 less than 2. Yes or no? 2 less than 3. Next, 1 less than 3. These 3 elements. In this place, we can write minus 1 power j minus I or I minus j. This is a minus 1 whole power j minus 1. Minus 1 whole power 2 minus 1. Here will come minus 1 element. Next, this element. Minus 1 whole power 3 minus 1. 1 will come. Minus 1 whole power 3 minus 2. Minus 1 will come. See here, I greater than j. So which elements? These two, A21, A31, A32. Then use this minus 1 whole power I plus A21, 2 plus 1, 3, minus 1 whole cube. That is minus 1. Minus 1 whole power 3 plus 1, that is 1. 3, 2 means here we'll get minus 1. This is A matrix. Then find det A. Det A. What is det A value? 2 into 4 minus 1. Minus of minus plus 1. Minus 2. Minus 2 plus 1. 1 into 1 minus 2. Do the simplification. 6 minus 1 minus 1. Det A value 4. Det A value 4. But what they are asking here, I am writing here, see. Det 3 into adjoint of 2A inverse. 2A inverse. We know that det Ka is equal to K power n into det A, where n is order of the matrix. Here order of the matrix is 3 by 3. So we get 3 cube into det of adjoint of 2A inverse. Okay. What is det of adjoint A formula, students? Det of adjoint A is equal to det A whole power n minus 1, where n is order of the matrix. Here order is 3 by 3. So here we get 3 cube into det 2a inverse 3 minus 1, that is 2. Okay, now 3 cube det to 2a inverse, det to 2a, that means we get 2 cube, and whole square is there. Now we can write det a inverse, that is 1 by det a, and whole square is there. Now we can write. Now 3 cube 27, next 2 cube whole square, that is 2 power 6 into 1 by det a value is 4, that is we can write 2 square or not. 2 square whole square, 2 power 4. Here cancel it, 2 power 4, then 4 cancel, 2 will come. 2 square means how much? 4. 4 into 27, how much? 108. This is the answer. Third option correct. So here 2 formulas required. Okay, students understood? This is easy only, but lengthy question. So I'm going to another question. Say this: properties of triangle and vectors related problem. Now take one triangle first of all. This is a triangle. Put vertices A, B, C, and what they given: AB length 7, BC length 5, CA length 3. Okay. Now projection of BC on CA. Projection of BC on CA. What is the formula? BC bar dot CA bar divided by mod CA bar. This is the formula now. BC dot CA, A dot B formula, mod A mod B cos of A bar comma B bar now. That means mod BC mod CA cos of angle between BC comma CA divided by modulus CA. Okay, now these two cancel. Modulus BC, how much? BC length, that is 5. Now angle between BC and CA, this angle. Here use cosine rule. Cos C. What is the formula? A square plus B square minus 2AB, sorry, minus C square divided by 2AB. This is the formula, this capital C. So here A value is 5, B value is 3, C value 7. Substitute here. A square 25, B square 9, C square 49 divided by 2 into A 5, B 3. Students, calculate this. 9 minus 49 minus 40, 25 minus 40 minus 15 divided by 2 into 5 3s are 15. 15, 15 cancel. What is answer? Minus 1 by 2. Here we get minus 1 by 2. What is answer? Minus 5 by 2. This is the answer. But here already given projection of BC and CA is n by 2. So that is equal to n by 2. By comparing both, What is n value? -5. This is the answer. Students understood? Vectors and properties of triangle related problem. And students, here one more point. Projection of BC bar on CA bar. Projection means this is the length or not. Put modulus. Put modulus. The negative is going to positive or not. N value 5, not -5. Understood? Right. So I am going to another question. This is inverse trigonometric related problem. Inverse trigonometric related problem. First, I will write the question here. The value of tan of 2 tan inverse 3/5 plus sine inverse 5/13 that's equal to tan of 2 tan inverse x. Formula tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square. Sine inverse of 5/13. Take right angle triangle. Sine means opposite side by hypotenuse. This will come 12. Here observe that tan 5/12 or not. This is a 5/12. Now tan of, students, here calculate tan inverse of value. Tan inverse of, see, 6/5 divided by 25 minus 9 divided by 25 plus tan inverse 5/12. Now simplify this. 5 5s are 25. 5 is going to numerator. 5 6 are 30. 30 divided by 25 minus 9, 16 plus tan inverse 5/12. Okay. Now do the calculation. 30/16 means how much? 2 15s are 2 8s are. Now inside the bracket, that is in the form of tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Tan inverse of x plus y divided by 1 minus x into y. Now tan inverse cancel. Remaining numerator 8 into 12 LCM, 12 into 15, 180, 8 into 5, 40, divided by LCM, 8 into 12, 96, minus 75. These two cancel. Now 180 plus 40, 220 by 96 minus 75, 21. So answer 220/21. Which option correct? First option. This is a very easy question, but calculation do carefully. I hope all of you done correct only. Next, I'm going to another question. This is sequences and series related problem, but logarithms are there. These type of problems giving in 2021. Okay, previous they didn't given like this. Now see the question. Log x to the base 9 power 1 by 2 plus logarithm x to the base 9 power 1 by 3 plus logarithm x to the base 9 power 1 by 4. Sum of 21 terms they are asking. 21 terms means the last term will come like this. Logarithm of x to the base 9 power 1 by 22. Not 21, 22. So because here starts with 2. 2 to 22 means 21 terms. Their sum should be 252. Now 9 power whatever is there, it's coming in front of the logarithm, and 1 by 1 by 2, it's going to write 2. 2 log x to the base 9 plus 3 log x to the base 9 plus 4 log x to the base 9 plus, and so on, 22 log x to the base 9, that is equal to 252. Now write here 2, 3, 4, 5. The last number is 22. 22 I am writing 21 plus 1 into log x to the base 9, that's equal to 252. 22, why I am written 21 plus 1? Here 1 is missing. Now observe the total numbers, sum of 21 natural numbers. What is the formula? 21 into 21 plus 1, 22 by 2. That is equal to log x to the base 9. This is 22, sorry. Into no, okay. Log x to the base 9, that is equal to 252. 211, sir. 211, sir. How much? Once again, 21 natural numbers, no? N into n plus 1 by 2. Correct. Here we are getting 11. 11 into 21. How much we get, students? Students, in this case, here right hand side 252 is there, not going to cancel. And do a small correction here. In place of 22, I'm written 21 plus 1, write 22 only. This series, observe that AP series or not. Sum of 21 terms. See, what is the formula? 21 by 2 into A plus L. A means 2, L means 22. This is overall 24 or not? 2 22s are 2 12s are, sorry. 2 12s are 24. 12 21s are 252. 12 21s are 252. Overall here, log x to the base 9 is equal to 1. Then what is x? 9 power 1, that is equal to 9. By using logarithmic definition, which option correct? Third option correct. Right. So I'm going to another problem. This is a matrices related. Already we did one problem that is determinant related. See here, capital A given 1 0 0 1. That is identity matrix or not? I. And B given, B is equal to sigma R is equal to 1 to 2021 A power R. Okay. Then determinant of B they are asking. Here expand the sigma. A square, A cube, and so on. A power 2021. Now see here, A means I. A square, I square value, I only know. I cube value, I power 2021 also I only. So we can write all terms are I only. How many terms are there here? 2021 terms. 2021 into I. This is B. Okay. Now determinant of B, that's equal to data of 2021 into I. But here this is 2 by 2 matrix. A is equal to I, 2 by 2 matrix. Then 2021 constant, now take outside, we get 2 times 2021 whole square into data I, determinant of identity matrix 1. So answer is 2021 whole square. This is the answer. Which option correct? Second option correct. I think this is also easy question. Then we need to identify formula. Data of K power n into data A, where n is order of the matrix. Here 2 by 2 order. That's why in place of n, substitute 2. You will get answer. Right. These 5 questions I discussed. In next video, I will discuss remaining questions also. Okay. Thank you.